Question number 96 of the ID Passport exam from PhilNITS. We are now in the strategy portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is the most appropriate description of teleworking? Let's highlight the keyword teleworking. The way to answer this is to, of course, read each and every choice that we've got. So letter A, for letter A, what do we have? It's saying that it is a flexible way of working that uses IT and is not restricted by location. I think this is the best answer, and so I'm gonna put a circle here or a roundish shape here, and then let's see the other choices available to us too. And I think from there we can find out why I chose letter A to be the best answer too. Letter B, it is an increase in the number of people assigned to a certain task and the division of the task into smaller subtasks for allocation. Okay, so we got a certain task given to a number of people, and then smaller subtasks for allocation. I think this is not necessarily teleworking because we can do this even though we don't have the part about the tele, which is something related to distance. For example, working in the same office and each and every person of the team is given a certain task, is assigned a certain task, and then the tasks are further subdivided so that there would be smaller tasks, smaller subtasks for allocation. So this one is not necessarily teleworking, but it's definitely part of work. And because we're looking for teleworking, we put an X mark here. Letter C. It is the use of an individual's own PC or smart device for work at an office with the permission of the company. I think this is not also teleworking because although it has the part about the location, work at an office, I think it would be more appropriate to have something like in letter A where it says not restricted by location. So even though you're not working inside the office, you're working somewhere else at home or wherever, you can still continue to contribute to the project, to the company. So letter C is not saying any of that, so we put our next mark. Letter D, it is an attempt to balance working time and non-working time. Again, this one is also incorrect because we are going for something related to distance, something that says explicitly something about distance, and letter D is not saying any of that. So letter A, again, I chose this as the best answer, and again, it's saying that it's a flexible way of working. Why? Because it's not restricted by location. Work is not restricted by location, and because we're using IT, information technology. And so, because of that, letter A is the best answer.